All right, it is time to update Aerodrome here. So I was looking on the larger time frames, the 3-day, the daily, and the weekly here, but I noticed something when I was on the 3-day. We're on the daily now here. If you zoom out a little bit, it kind of looks like a larger version of what we had back here. You guys remember when we were watching the ascending triangle pattern forming? We were watching it on the 12-hour chart, but you can see it here on the daily chart. And I have seen the similar thing in the past. I saw it on we covered it and we saw it on Caspa. So Caspa did a very similar move, and then Caspa went to the moon, just like Aerodrome did here. Now, as you can see on the larger time frame, if we ignore this large wick here, of course, you can see there is a support or a resistance area here in this box where the price is getting stuck, and we're making these higher lows as that is happening. So we could still, from today, which we're going to get into the 12-hour chart in just a moment, but we could still drop about 5 or 6% back down to this blue line here, back down to around the 786 on the smaller time frame at about 152. But as long as we hold that 786, we're good to go here. And I'm just going to hold on to my bag. If it's going to drop another 6%, so be it. I'm in this thing for the long haul here. Now, as you can see here, this thing could end up, if we come down here and tag that, we could end up chopping around like this, until mid-May here. So maybe another couple of weeks before this thing gets to the apex of this much larger ascending triangle, and then that's when we take off sometime in May. So that could be the case, so just keep an eye out here. Just wanted to give you guys a different kind of perspective on the overall chart here for Aerodrome. Now, if we zoom back into the 12-hour and 6-hour chart, where we're kind of keeping an eye on this thing, going from the low here to that wick high, you can see that we did end up losing the support at that 618 at 167 we've been kind of watching. But the overall chart, we're still making the higher highs and higher lows here. So that's why I say we could still drop down here and still be bullish overall. So, it looks like it's going to drop another 5 to 6% here on Aerodrome. So just hold on to your bags. That is not financial advice, but I think it's gearing up. If it does last until mid-May, I think this thing is gearing up for a monster run here at some point, of course. So we will leave it at that for now on Aerodrome. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.